Brian Bowersock, the Automan here. Today we're talking about some vehicle safety. Actually, being able to see and being seen by others while on the road is extremely important. So we're going to talk a little bit about lights and headlights. Headlight bulbs, lights, now they have halogens, HIDs, and other types of lights. They're quite expensive, the bulbs can be on them. The good news is these bad boys last a long time, they really do. So, and the light that you get from them makes it easy to see things coming up on the road, and also makes it easy for people to see you because they're extremely bright. We also have tracking lights on vehicles now that actually will turn as you turn the corner so you can see as you're going around a corner, and other items like that that make vehicles way safer and visibility way better for the driver of the vehicle. Wiper blades are extremely important, as sometimes, even though we're in Southern California, lately we've been getting a lot of rain. We want to make sure that you can see well. All the other bulbs, tail light bulbs, turn signal bulbs, they're really important so other drivers can see you and see where you intend to go. So let's make sure we check out the lights on your vehicle, keep them in good working order, replace those wiper blades. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, watch for the Automan Fridays on the CW San Diego, sponsored by the West Automotive Group.